Magandang araw! Sa video ito, ituturo ko ang step-by-step guide para mag-renew online sa ating PRC license. Kaya stay tuned! I-search lang mga PRC sa Google o di kaya i-key in nyo lang yung prc.gov.ph and you will be routed to this page. I-click mo lang itong click here na naka-highlight na click here. Basahin maigi ang mga notices and some reminders before clicking the highlighted word here. If wala ka pang account, just fill in the necessary information. And then you need to verify your email. And then you need to input your email address and the password and click submit. Punan lamang ng mga impormasyon ng mga boxes na ito, especially those red asterisk. And then after that, click this box, check if this is for PRC renewal, and then after filling all the information, click save information. Information box will pop up, click OK, and this time you need to review all the necessary information that you have provided, especially the spellings and the date. And then upload a 2x2 picture. Make sure it's a recent one, and make sure that you follow the guidelines so that to avoid the delay. Just choose the file where you saved the photo, click open, and make sure it is in the center where you can see the word 2x2 inches. Make sure it fit in and the picture or the photo that you've uploaded is appropriate as well. It's your time to double check, and once it's okay, click select transaction and choose renewal. You can see some options right there. Click renewal and select your profession. If you're a teacher, select professional teacher and then fill in or provide your license number. Click proceed, and then after that you will be directed to the appointment system or the appointment step, where you need to fulfill the 3-step, the additional details, the branch where you want to renew your license. There will be the one to choose the schedule date and time, and if you want to reschedule, you may do so. And then you will also see there the annual fee and the surcharge, if any. And then just review the information. Select the payment channel. Good thing that they already have GCash available. Before they already have, or they only have PayMaya, but this time they have PayMaya and GCash Land Bank. So just choose any of the payment option, and there is an 8 peso additional service fee. So you need to prepare an amount of 458 pesos. And then now we have to pay through PayMaya, but unfortunately I don't have any balance in my PayMaya account, so I chose GCash instead. So just log in your GCash number and then pay for the amount. And then that's it. Don't forget to, once you're done paying, do not forget to bring or print out the receipt you can see this one once you already paid, since this is a notification that you already successfully paid it. Okay, the document, so that you don't need to fill in some forms when you go to the branch. You need to present the one that you printed out, so that's how easy and convenient it is.